Clear browser caches every now and then helps to protect your privacy as well as improve the browser's performance. This video will teach you how to clear caches of all browsers on your MacBook in a safe way. Delete it manually is a pretty foolproof method. Click on the desktop with your mouse, then press Command+Shift+G to go to the folder, type ~library, caches, in the pop-up window. Press Enter and you will come to the location where all the cache files are located, find the cache file you want to delete and click Delete. And done. For an easier and more efficient method, it is highly recommended that you use third-party software for automatic deletion. Macube Cleaner is a very handy and useful Mac cleaner program. You can click on the link below to get it. Let's see how it works. Open Macube Cleaner. Choose Privacy on the left. Hit Scan. After scanning, the data of browsers will be displayed. Tick the data files that you want to delete. If you want to erase all your browser data at once, just check all the boxes here. Click the Clean button to clear the caches. The cleanup process is done within a few seconds. Okay, this is all for today. For more technical skills, please subscribe to our channel.